Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask that I have right here. And when I purchased this, it actually came with a watermelon face sheet mask, which I actually will go ahead and do a review on that later on. So let's go and talk about the packaging of this. I absolutely love the packaging. First of all, the packaging of this container gives you like a really nice grip to hold on to it. There's like, I'm not really sure what to call these. I want to call them like dents or ridges, but on the side of it, it just gives you like a really nice grip to hold on to the packaging, which I absolutely love. And I really like how actually you can go ahead and see like the color, and also you can see how much product is actually left in here. So you go ahead and open this up. This is what it looks like. It's actually very watery, very gooey, and yes, it definitely does go ahead and smell like watermelons. It smells so sweet. Absolutely love the scent. So if any of you guys are curious about the ingredients, obviously you're gonna have to like go ahead and refer back to the box or the packaging that came with this, or just go ahead and like search them online. So there's actually two ways you can actually go ahead and use this sleeping mask. Obviously the first way is actually use it as like a regular sleeping mask. So what you do is you go ahead and wash your face, put on some moisturizer or do your skincare routine, and then put this on, and then just go ahead and go to sleep, and then wake up the next morning, just wash your face, and that's pretty much it. So the second way you can actually go ahead and use this is actually use this as like a wash off mask. So what you could go ahead and do is sort of a nice fresh clean face, apply a thick even layer all around your whole entire face, wait either 5 to 10 minutes, and then just wash it off, and then apply on your moisturizer or apply your makeup or apply whatever you need to apply on after, and that is pretty much it. So typically for me, I like to go ahead and use it both ways. So for instance, if that day I have on like really heavy cakey makeup, I will go ahead and use this as like a wash off mask, or especially at night if I need like a little bit more boost for like the next morning, I'll go ahead and just use this as like a sleeping mask. And I have to say, after trying using this, I definitely really like this sleeping mask a lot. First of all, because it is very lightweight and it actually absorbs into the skin really fast and really well. So if any of you guys have tried this sleeping mask, feel free to let me know what your thoughts. Do you guys like it? Do you hate it? Or is there another sleeping mask I should go ahead and try and test out? I noticed recently, or actually not too long ago, they did go ahead and come out with an avocado sleeping mask, which I definitely for sure will go ahead and pick up and try later on. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.